Hello and welcome to Instant Nerd. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to fix server is not accessible. You might not have permission to use this network resource error. So let's get started. First, you need to go to the search bar and in the search bar, open the services. Type services and click on open. After that, you need to double click on workstation. And here just make sure that the startup type is set to automatic, and here click on start and make sure the service status is running over here. Then you can click on OK. After this, you need to go to the search bar again and search for manage advanced share settings. Click on open or double click on that. A window will appear here. After that, just expand all networks that you will see here, and then in the file sharing connections, click on the drop down menu and change it to 40 or 56-bit encryption. After that, you need to try to restart your laptop or PC once. So this might basically solve the issue. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.